Back to the field, going to the race lead. I think it's going through. Yes, he does. Back to the field. Your new race leader then, the private leader, back now to second place. Racing behind this time. And back to the field, makes through, but now it's time for Jake Rick to go. So, back to the field to the stage. Jake Rick getting into the back. Offside the lead, swinging it out wide to the middle this time. He gets in, pulls down, it's back to the field. And here comes Jake Rick, trying to get through. Into second position. He's got his over the inside, and he's got also Stuart Martin in there as well. He might see a bit of a shove. Now the straight help along the red. From the field,